Welcome to the Point Steakhouse. Miss Ruby, by the way.
Ice water with a lemon, please.
Ice water, no lemon.
Still on it, baby spin. Have the sea salt bread, carta musica, and a bread.
Alright, so I'm gonna try this one with this green. It's green, so does that mean it's pistachio? Because I don't think I like that. But I love it. It's not as bad as I thought it would be. Nicki ain't trying her round. I'm trying everything.
So,
No, I don't like it. Do it for the vlog. All right, here we go. Guy, risotto, Yorkshire pork belly. But you said compliments of the chef.
Yeah.
So is that for everybody?
I guess we're special.
No, because she said itty bitty 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 baby. Coochie coochie.
Compliments from Is it hot?
It's good though. Alright guys, I'll be back when I get my lobster bits. Alright guys, so I'm about to try this little bitty
Pork belly.
pork. Yeah. Y'all know.
Is that first one? Is that kid as well?
Alright, I just tasted it and
1 second. Two vloggers trying to vlog. Can get difficult. Yorkshire. Alright. I'll be back. Alright guys, I'm sorry I missed it. So she put this lobster in the bowl and then she poured the soup over it. Yep, that's it. Alright guys, here we go. I think I gotta go down to the bottom to get the lobster. I'm like bobbing for apples over here trying to find it. Nope, there it is. No. Let's see with some bread. Maybe it might feel better with the bread. This bread got some butter in it too. On it.
dry.
Bread always makes soup taste better. Alright guys, I'll be back when I get my entree. Y'all see it? It looks so little though. Lemon on here. I don't know how this is supposed to work. What is this? How you get salt out of here? Oh, there we go. So, take a piece of this. too. Cut up this lobster. I want to hurry up and cut all the lobster. Lobster? A little piece I got, right? Hey, already told y'all. Y'all gonna be hearing Nicki Antonetta here. This steak butterfly. And look at this. Can you see it? Does it look medium well to you? I do not like the sauce, but that steak is good. Let me taste it without anything. Let's see. Hey guys, I'll be back when I get dessert.
Here's your cheesecake. Here's your cheesecake. Here's your cheesecake.
You see that cheesecake? I'm waiting for them to sing happy birthday though. Alright guys, so try this cheesecake. It's very soft. It's different. I'm trying to think what is this up top? I don't know. It's like it's different cheesecakes. Excuse me. I thought they had it in a note that we were celebrating her birthday.
Oh yes, of course. If you want, we can sing it. We can sing both of you for both of you.
Y'all don't do it when you give out the cake?
It's on the different.
Oh, you got a different cake?
Yeah. No, I mean it's on the different plate for the celebration.
Sorry, I done stopped the surprise.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Melinda and Nikki. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you. Wait, I want y'all to see this little bitty thing. Okay, little dessert, but you get some wine. Alright. I guess we got to lean our heads in. Happy birthday, girlie.
Happy birthday, you too.
That's strong. Where could you go? I think they like, you got all this food. You good? Let me give you a drop of chocolate. This ain't the sweet kind. This the dry.
So thank you, ladies. We would like to thank you for joining us tonight in the Steakhouse, and we hope that you enjoy your dinner with us and celebrating your birthday as well.
Thank you
again,
so
ladies.
much. What's your name?
My name is Crystal, and I am Ruby. It's our pleasure to serve you.
Thank you so much.
Enjoy the rest of
The
your
food
evening,
was
ladies.
amazing.
Thank you so much,
Thank
our
you.
chef, and enjoy the rest of your evening. Okay?
Thank you.
Bye now.
Bye.
Okay.
Alright guys, so this was it for my steakhouse dinner on the Carnival Conquest. It was so good. And then a little bitty birthday. And champagne.
That we're not gonna drink.
Nah, it's dry. I like sweet. But I really hope you guys enjoy. Guys, look what I found. Please like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss any of my carnival experiences.